To install your Pelican Air easy pull handle, first what you do is make sure your air case is on a flat surface, laying down with the top facing you. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our screwdriver, remove each bolt holding the trolley assembly to the case. Depending on which air case model you have, there will be a different number of screws. This particular one is a 1535 and it has 10 different screws. So we're going to go ahead and start unscrewing these and replace the trolley assembly. You'll want to make sure that you hang onto these screws because you will be using these when you are done to re-affix the trolley assembly to the case. So don't get rid of the screws. All right, as you take the last screw out, set everything aside, you can remove the trolley assembly from the case itself, and you'll see the inside of the trolley assembly, you have the actual handle from the existing case. You can put that aside, you won't need that again. We're going to replace it with the new easy pull handle assembly. So what you'll do is you've got two sides of this. The side with the screws, you'll want that facing up. When you put it back into the trolley assembly, you'll want it facing up because that's what's actually going to be facing the case once you flip this over to reinstall. So you'll place it inside of the assembly, should slide right in. Once you have it inside the assembly, go ahead and flip everything over and reinsert into the case. It should slide right in. And then you're ready to start screwing all of the areas back in. One thing to note, as you're screwing these in, this is a screw going into plastic, so you don't need to over torque these. Just screw them until they're tight and you can feel some resistance, and you should be good. As we screw in the last screw, everything should line up. Again, you shouldn't feel too much resistance as you're putting these in. And that's done. And now you have your new easy pull handle installed inside of your existing air trolley assembly for one-handed operation.